Hello friends, welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn that how sheet metal workbench does not work as many users have reported, and you will find the threads on it at forum.freecad.org. So when I have updated to the FreeCAD version 1.1, at that time I also face issue with a sheet metal workbench. It was not loading, so we will know how we can fix it. So first thing is that you must have a FreeCAD version 1.1, and let's follow the tutorial to fix it, how to install the sheet metal workbench, and we will see the issue and as well as the solution. So here you can see that I have activated the sheet metal workbench, and here is a simple sketch, but option of a sheet metal is not showing. So I have moved to the add-on manager, and add-ons are the loading, and now I will search for the sheet metal. So sheet metal workbench is showing here. Now I will install it. Now I will install it again, and it is successfully installed. And here I will go to the Python dependencies option. So here you can see the path, but you can see that the package is not installed. So I will copy the path, go to the file explorer, and then paste that path. So these are the two folders where the main issue is that. So delete these two folders, say yes and say continue, and close it and restart your FreeCAD. And now our FreeCAD will start again. Now here I will turn to the add-on manager, and here let's load the, and here you can see that no add-ons and no Python dependencies is there, but it is asking to say yes whether you want to install the dependencies. So it is a fresh installing the dependencies, so it will take some times to install the dependencies. And now we will check it. We will go to the tool and then add-on manager again, and go to the open Python dependencies. So you can see that now the 3.6.1 is installed. Now we will search for the sheet metal workbench, select it, install it. As we have installed the fresh dependencies, so we will remove it, and we will again install this. So sheet metal workbench is installed, close it, restart your FreeCAD. Now we will open our part. Now we have the sketch, and now we will switch to the sheet metal. Now you can see that the sheet metals tools are showing. Previously it is not showing. So let's make a body active and add some sheet metal features. So select the sketch, switch to the sheet metal, select the base, say OK, and let's add some flanges. So you can see that now sheet metal tool is working very fine. So here the main issue was the Python dependencies. We have created fresh installation of a sheet metal by deleting these two folders of networks X. So if you are facing the problem while upgrading to the FreeCAD version 1.1, then delete these two folders as I shown this video, and then again install the workbench, and at that time it will ask you to say yes if any dependency you want. So FreeCAD will automatically install those dependencies fresh. So that is the something problem with the FreeCAD default installations, where the networks X folders you have to delete it and fresh install it. It will fix your problem. And this is all about this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.